Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall applications on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So it's pretty simple. So all you have to do is find the application that you'd like to install from the home screen or the app drawer, and then press and hold the app icon. And then from the options that appear, simply tap on this bin icon. Tap on this bin icon. And then you should see this prompt, uninstall that particular application. And installing it will remove all the app data. All you have to do is simply tap on uninstall, and that will uninstall that particular application. Alternatively, you can uninstall the applications through settings. So all you have to do is simply launch the settings. And then within the settings, scroll down and select apps. And then from here, find the application that you'd like to uninstall. So scroll down and find the application that you'd like to uninstall. So let's say, for instance, I want to uninstall WhatsApp Business. Simply tap on it. And then you should see this option uninstall at the bottom. So all you have to do is simply tap on uninstall. And then you should see this prompt, uninstalling will remove all app data. Simply tap on OK. And now you have successfully uninstalled WhatsApp Business. So that's basically it on how to uninstall applications on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.